Hello everyone, welcome to this video lesson. Today we're going to learn about the basics of equation and four operations related to it. The first thing you need to know here is that an equation has a symbol that represents equality. So this is the equal symbol, equality symbol. Okay. There is a left hand side of the equation and there is a right hand side of the equation. This is known as, in short, LHS, and this is RHS. The key thing that you have to know here is that the sides are balanced. As you can see here, it's balanced on both sides. So if I write a plus 3 equal to 6, that means left hand side of this equation and right hand side, these are balanced. That means the value of a has to be 3 for it to be balanced. If I write negative, the value of a changes since it's a variable. If I write a minus 3, that means the value of a here should be 9. The next thing you need to know here is that you can do four operations on equation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What you do on one side has to be done on the other side as well. Okay, so if I want to add 3 on both sides, we can write a minus 3 plus 3 and 6 plus 3 on the other side. As we added 3 on both sides, this equation is still balanced. Okay, so negative 3 and positive 3, they get cancelled out. We get 0 here, so this becomes a and 0 added together would give us a only on left hand side, and on the right hand side 6 plus 3 would give us 9. Okay, so the value of a is 9. We can also see it from here. There's 9 minus 3 will give us 6. We got the value of a. This is called solving an equation. To solve an equation, you try to find the value of the variable like this. Some students put equal to symbol here as well. This doesn't seem right, because if you put a balance and there is another equal to symbol like this does not make sense. So you should put an arrow mark, or you can just write or here. Okay, you can just keep on writing or in every line. So similarly, if it is, let's say, a plus 3 equal to 6, to solve equation, we want to get the value of the variable. We want to isolate the variable on one side. So to get rid of this plus 3, we can subtract 3 from both sides. So a plus 3, subtract 3, subtract 3. This gets cancelled out. We are left with a only, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, you can see that the value of a should be 3 to get 6 on the other side. Now, if it is, let's say, 3a equal to 6, 3a means 3 multiplied by a. So if I divide 3 on both sides, 3a divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, we can see that 3 divided by 3 gets cancelled out. We can get only a here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3 multiplied by what gives you 6? Apparently it's 2. Okay, and if we look into a division example, let's say a by 3 equal to 6. To isolate 3, so a by 3 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3, we can see that 3 and 3 get cancelled out. A equals to 3 6 are 18. Okay, so what number divided by 3 gives you 6? 18 divided by 3 gives you. So it's not always just one simple operation like this: addition or subtraction or multiplication, division. Okay, there can be some of the operations together. Simply what we can do here is 2a minus 3 plus 3 9 plus 3 to get rid of this 3 here. But we don't quite do the math like this. We say that we are taking this negative 3 to the other side. If you take negative number to the other side of the equation, that becomes positive. So 9 plus 3, this negative 3 to the other side becomes positive. So instead of writing it like this, we just take it to the other side. Okay. One thing you have to notice here is that we did not take 2 first. We are taking negative 3 first. So there is an order of operation that we follow. Generally, we do division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, if you remember the BODMAS rule. Okay. But in equation, solving an equation, we do the addition, subtraction first. Then finally, we do the division and multiplication. Okay. We do it next. So first of all, we do the addition and subtraction. Okay. So negative 3 to the other side becomes positive 3. 2a equals to 9 plus 3, 12. Now we can see that 2 multiplied by a. So instead of writing 2a divided by 2 equals to 12 divided by 2, instead of writing it like this, we just take 2 to the other side. Multiplication to the other side becomes division. So we can write 12 divided by 2. Okay, a equals to 12 divided by 2. Multiplication to the other side becomes division. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we just solved the equation. We got the value of a as 6. To check if your answer is correct or not, you can just insert the value of a here and check if it matches the right hand side. So 2 times 6 minus 3 equal to 9. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 3 would give us 9. Okay. Let's have a look at another example. Let's say if it is a by 2 minus 3 equal to 9. Again, we know that we do the addition subtraction first. That means we are going to take this negative 3 to the other side. So a by 2 equals to negative 3 to the other side will become positive. One of the common mistakes that students make here is that they tend to this one first. Let's say positive 3, then they write 9, and they mess up the symbols somehow. That is already on that side. Then you write this number. Okay, not like this. Otherwise, you would mess up. Okay, so 9 plus 3 would give us 12. Now division, a divided by 2, division to the other side becomes multiplication. You would write 12 multiplied by 2. 12 2s are 24. So you're getting a equals to 24. Okay. Again, you can insert the value of a here and check if the equation matches the right hand side and left hand side. Now moving on to some more examples related to equation.